Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to teach you how to move properly in Tai Chi. Where does that movement initiate from? So the classics say that all Tai Chi initiates in the feet, goes up through the thigh, bursts through the thigh, it's governed by the Dantian, and then it flourishes in the hands. So the hands or the arms are the last expression of the movement. And too often what we see in Tai Chi is that the emphasis is on the hands. It may be beautiful, and the arms and the hands are leading the movement. But that is a backwards approach. This is why I have this pot here, just to sort of demonstrate this to you. If I tried to move this pot by moving the fronds, then I'm not very effective. And so the fronds are analogous to your arms, your upper extremities. So they're just kind of out there, they're light, and yes, they can bend and move with the wind, but they're not going to be very effective in initiating the movement. Conversely, if I move this from the bottom, now I can rotate the whole pot with ease, and then it moves up through and out to the fronds. So if I did a quick movement, you can see that there's a power generated out there, sort of like Fa Jing, and we have that wave or whip-like motion out at the ends. It's like Tai Chi, and it's like we have the heavy weight at the bottom, and then we have the upward rising weight at the top. So as we are doing our practice, it's important that our movements initiate from the feet and then move up through the body. And that we have this division of heavy and light in equal proportion. So let's try this. Let's get in our Tai Chi stance. And as you release, it's a release. You're just letting go. And just let the bottom half fill as you let go. And in the opposite is that the upper half is lengthening and becoming lighter, like our plantar. And now let's float our hands up and rest your elbows. So they're sort of the bottom heaviness. And now I want you to imagine you have doorknobs under your feet, and you're going to rotate those doorknobs that are deep in the earth, and the whole body moves just like our plant. And then the arms are the last part of the movement, the flourish, if you will. So turn the floor with your feet and rotate the whole body, so that the movement is from feet up. Yeah, so it's very easy to get it backwards and start moving your arms and then let the rest of the body follow. So I'll do it wrong. My arms move and then the rest of my body follows. This is incorrect. It's the feet, the earth. Turn the doorknobs, the body, it rotates through the pelvis, through the spine, and then the hands are the last part. So turn the floor first, and then the body and arms. Now this doesn't matter, whatever form you're doing, it doesn't matter which form. In fact, let's try brush knee. Okay, so again, turn the floor with your feet, and to change direction, turn the floor. That's right, keep going. So just like you're this pot right here, turning and turning, not turning and turning. Okay, so I imagine you're about right here. Feet first, turn those doorknobs under your feet. Body follows, follow the momentum. Turn the floor or the doorknobs. Follow the momentum. Very nice. Let's try waving hands in clouds. If you don't know these movements, just fake it till you make it. So right here, turn the floor, switches the hands, and then follow the momentum. Turn the floor, hands, momentum, or body. If you've been doing it backwards, it's going to take a little bit of a mental awareness, because the tendency is to switch the arms and move, and you're switching the arms and you're following the arms instead of turning the doorknobs under your feet. Move the whole body, turning that whole body like the planter. Once you understand this and you feel it, you'll be able to see it in other Tai Chi players. You'll be able to tell whether they're leading with the arms or leading with the feet. Leading with the feet. Turn the doorknobs. If you want to try the step, turn the doorknobs. You keep turning the doorknob, foot goes out. Turn the doorknobs, foot comes in. Turn the doorknob. And we'll come back to the center. Very nice. Yeah. All right. So something for you to think about and to feel in your body, and a nice visual for you to move from the floor up, so that all Tai Chi initiates in the feet. So thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, really appreciate it if you would subscribe or leave a comment or hit that like button. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next video.